I am Pragya Khurana, your occupational therapist. Let's start with the news today. It's time for some medical news. Delhi is likely to report around 15,000 COVID 19 cases daily in winter, the National Center for Disease Control has said. Patients may come from outside the Delhi in large numbers, it added. In addition, with festival related gatherings, there could be a sudden rise in case, NCDC further said. India Israel's COVID 19 test to be ready in days will give result in less than a minute. 27 students class 9 and 10 attending Andhra government schools found to have COVID 19. The University of Miami researchers have studied that face masks do not cause exposure to carbon dioxide. University of Central Florida has claimed an AI algorithm could be trained to classify COVID-19 pneumonia in X-ray scans with up to 90% accuracy. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Friday that the state government will set up a 20 crore rupees smog tower in Connaught Place to curb pollution. Scientists claim to have developed a super enzyme that can break down plastic up to 6 times faster than their previous enzyme. And it works at room temperature. Argentina becomes first nation to approve genetically modified wheat. Brazil is Argentina's biggest importer of wheat. Educational news. NCERT textbooks to be made available in Indian Sign Language, government says. The CBSE launched a mathematics practice book to promote critical thinking and problem solving abilities of classes 7 to 10. The Ministry of Education has released guidelines for the safe preparation and delivery of midday meals to school children, stating that those cookings are the meal should not have nail polish or artificial nails. No watches, rings, jewelry, and bangles should be worn during cooking, serving, and distribution, as there is a danger of contamination of the product. It added spitting, nose blowing to be strictly prohibited. Maharashtra Education Minister said a situation is unsuitable to reopen schools. Maharashtra government has rescheduled the Maharashtra Public Service Commission MPSC exam. Delhi High Court has issued a notice to Education Ministry on plea to stay JEE advanced results. Bangalore University has decided to not confer the honorary doctorate during this year's annual convocation owing to shortage of time for the selection process. The University Grants Commission released the 24 self-styled unrecognized institutions as fake. Jackson Oswalt from Tennessee, US has become the world's youngest person to achieve nuclear fusion at the age of 12. Government has issued guidelines for amusement parks amid COVID-19 pandemic. The guidelines necessitate sanitization of rides and staggered timings of operation and state that maximum 50% sitting capacity will be allowed in theaters, restaurants and food courts. An Indian origin couple has bypassed COVID-19 restrictions in the UK by staging what they called a drive-in wedding in front of about 250 guests. The guests were given hampers of snacks and hand gel, watched the ceremony from their cars on the big screens outside. Maximum 15 people are allowed to attend the wedding in England currently. Guests could order the food using a website. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has directed community mandals across the Mumbai to arrange online darshan of goddess Durga idols and worship or puja during this year's Navratri owing to COVID-19. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.